In this video, I'm going to show you how to save in Photopea the right way, depending on what you need. Whether you want to keep your project fully editable for later or export it as a PNG, JPG, SVG, or WebP file to share online, I'll walk you through both methods step by step. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's jump in. First, it's important to understand the difference between saving and exporting in Photopea. If you save your work as a PSD file, you keep all your layers, text, masks, and effects exactly as they are. That means you can come back later and make changes without starting over. This is the best option if your design is still a work in progress. To save your project as an editable PSD, you can use the keyboard shortcut Command+S on a Mac or Control+S on Windows. You can also go up to the top menu and click File, then choose Save as PSD. Photopea will download the file directly to your computer, usually into your Downloads folder. Once it's saved, you can open that PSD file later and continue editing from where you left off. Now, if your design is finished and you want to post it, print it, or send it to someone, then exporting is the better choice. Exporting converts your project into a regular image file that's easier to use outside of Photopea. To do that, go to the top menu and click File, then select Export As. You'll see several format options. If you need a transparent background or you're making a logo, graphic, or design with crisp edges, PNG is usually the best option. PNG keeps high quality and supports transparency. If you're exporting a photo or a full color image and you want a smaller file size, JPG is a great choice. Just keep in mind that JPG does not support transparency, so it's not ideal for logos or cutout graphics. If you're working with scalable graphics like icons or vector artwork, SVG may be the format you want. And if you want a modern web-friendly image format with strong compression, WebP is another excellent option. Before you save the exported file, Photopea may show you a pop-up with settings like width, height, or quality. This is where you can fine-tune your export. If the image looks too large or too small, adjust the dimensions. If you're using JPG or WebP, you can also adjust the quality slider to balance file size and image clarity. When everything looks good, click Save. Photopea will then download the image to your computer so you can upload it, share it, or use it anywhere you need. So just to recap, use PSD if you want to keep editing later, and use export as if you want a finished image file. That simple difference can save you a lot of time and keep your workflow much smoother. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photopea tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.